Today, we're sewing Mocha the Capybara, a cozy felt toy that will become the base for many seasonal accessories. It's a small project you can make at a calm, relaxed pace, even in one evening. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step. Even if you've never sewn toys before, you'll be able to follow along easily. For this project, we'll need soft felt, thread, and stuffing. All the pieces are already cut using the pattern. You'll find the link to it in the description below this video, so we can move straight to the most enjoyable part, sewing. We start by attaching the small details to the body. These elements give the capybara its personality and gentle expression. Sew the muzzle using a simple embroidery stitch, as shown in the video. Take your time here. Neat, even stitches will make the toy look especially clean and accurate. Next, we embroider the facial details, the nostrils, smile, and eyes. I am using regular sewing thread, folded 4 times, and stitching with a back stitch. This is the moment when the capybara really starts to come alive, and it's always lovely to watch the character appear. By the way, I'm curious, do you prefer sewing small ornaments or toys like this one? Let me know in the comments. If you'd like to add a hanging loop to your toy, now is the perfect time to do it. This way, the capybara can be used as a decoration or a hanging ornament. Now we attach the overlays for the front and back legs using a tiny drop of glue. Use just a little, only enough to hold the pieces in place so they don't shift while sewing. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can sew these parts on the same way as the muzzle. The result will be just as neat. Once the face is finished, place the 2 body pieces together and sew them using a blanket stitch. Always choose thread that matches the felt color or is slightly lighter. we stuff the toy. Start with the narrow areas, slowly moving toward the center, and add the stuffing in small portions. This helps create a smooth, soft shape. highlight the back leg, stitch it through from both sides using a back stitch. Use a long thread 4 times so the stitches look strong and expressive. Next we sew the separate leg. This step doesn't take much time. When the leg is ready, attach it to the body. Take a moment to see how cozy this capybara turned out. I hope this sewing process brought you a sense of calm and enjoyment. If you enjoy slow, cozy hand sewing projects like this, you can support the video by liking it and subscribing. It really helps YouTube show it to more people who love handmade creativity. And if you'd like to sew your own capybara, you'll find the pattern link in the description below. The capybara is finished.